Hello, this is Miss Morello. In this video, I'm going to be doing number 13 on page 8 in the notes if you want to follow along. All right, so same thing here as we did with number 12. Lines that appear to be tangent are tangent, and we want to find the value of x. All right, so with these problems, what I want you to notice is that we're dealing with two triangles. So the first triangle is this big one over here, and this is the one that actually uses the tangent line. So remember, from tangent lines, when they connect with the radius, we have to remember that we're going to get 90-degree angles right here. Okay. The next triangle I want you to notice is this small one over here, the one that actually contains the x. Okay. And this triangle happens to be an isosceles triangle because it uses the radius of a circle over here and the same radius over here. So we know that this is an isosceles triangle. Well, the triangle that gives you the most information right now is the blue one, this big one right here. We have a 90-degree angle, a 44-degree angle, and what that will allow us to do is to find this missing one right over here. So remember, the angles of a triangle add up to be 180 degrees. So in order to get this angle right here, I would go 180 minus the 90 right up here, minus the 44 that we have going on right over here, and that will end up being 46 degrees. Okay, so now I have that angle over here. I want to just pull out this green triangle for a moment so you guys can see what it is that we're looking at. Okay, so I'm going to take out the little green triangle. We have an X, and we just found this 46 degrees in this corner over here. But what I want you to also notice is that since we're using the two radii, this is an isosceles triangle, which means base angles have to be equal to each other. So now I have enough information to find my x. All I have to do is add the two 46s and subtract them from 180. So if I take 180 degrees, which is what all triangles add up to be, minus 46, minus the other 46-degree angle, we're going to end up with 88 degrees. And that is how I found my x. Remember, always start with the triangle. That gives you the most information. And don't forget to put your 90s in there anytime that you see that tangent lines are involved where they connect with a radius. In the next slide, you're going to be asked to do an example that looks almost exactly like this one. Good luck.